I like how I said that I'll record a video on my birthday showing off what I got for my birthday, but all I got was money. Anyways, welcome to another random video. Today we're going to be uploading? Opening two Legendary Duelist Magical Hero and later a Gold Sarcophagus Legendary Dex Dos. Select these ones because they're quick on to the point. This will be like more than one part though, so the other one will be in the next part. The sarcophagus, Gold Sarcophagus. So, yeah. I don't know how much I spent on this. $72. How much money do I have? 75. I thought there was supposed to be 3 in here, and I forgot these were like 5 cards per pack. Okay, let's see. Time Gazer Magician. SL Synchron. Number F0 Utopic Future. Magistry Alchemist. And Future Drive. Nice. The main reason why I got these was A, I wanted to get Legend of Zelda Wind Waker HD, but they didn't have any. They didn't have them at Walmart. Everything that was out of stock except for like a few 3DS games, none of which were Pokemon Alpha Sapphire, which I do want to get because of that. Anyways. And also work on my Dark Magician deck. Anyways. Chronograph Sorcerer. Cosmic Blazar Dragon. Double Warrior. Smile Action. And Dodo Dwarf Go Glove. Next one. I'm mainly hoping for like a Dark Magician or like Apprentice Illusion Magician or hell, Dark Magician, but if I don't get them, I'll feel ripped off. Number 4, F0, Utopic Future. Rin Kuribo. Magician's Rod, oh sweet. A hero lives. And Future Drive. Well, I got Magician's Rod, so I got a Dark Magician card. Supreme King Zark. Oh, I know this. Alright. Gotta go Samurai. Tuning. Synchro Chase. Zubaba Bancho Dagako. So we got a Dark Magician card, so it seems like we do have time for the Gold Sarcophagus. Let's open it up, shall we? Okay, there we go. Alright, this is supposed to have 3 Egyptian God cards and 3 new variant cards. I think there's like up to 3 or maybe all of them. I'm not sure. But the decks themselves are the same. It comes with 3 decks. It comes with Yugi's deck, Kaiba's deck, and Joey's deck. Dark burning attack. Nice. God, that smell. Smell it. Beautiful. When you open up new cards. I have not smelled that smell in some time. Dark burning attack. Dark burning magic. Eternal soul. Hold on. Oh my god, I got all three new variant cards. Now let's start with this deck. If I could open it. There we go. Alright, that's Slifer, Sky Dragon, Obelisk, the Tormentor, and Wind Dragon Ra. Okay, so we got all. Legendary Exodia Incarnate. Ties of the Brethren. Obliterate! Exodia Forbidden One, right arm, right leg, left leg. Exodia Necros, Dark Magician. I do like that. Dark Magician Girl, Bristol Blader. Silent Magician, level 8. Silent Magician, level 4. The Tricky, Big Shield Gardener. Magician's Valkyria. Blast Magician. This could be cool for my deck. Blockman, Marshmallow. Sanjin, Gold Sarcophagus. Swords of Revealing Light, Magical Dimension. Magicians Unite, Tricky Spell 4. Thousand Knives. Dark Magic Attack, Contract with Exodia. Messenger of Peace. Dark Factory Mass Production. Monster Reincarnation. Secret Village of Spellcasters. Power Duality, Mirror Force, Magical Hats, Magic Cylinder, Magician Circle, Backup Soldier, Gravity Bind, Token. So I don't get Dark Paladin in this. I'm upset. Dark Paladin is a card I really want. God dang it. Medium with Eyes of Blue, Melody of Awakening Dragon, Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon, Blue Eyes White Dragon, Blue Eyes White Dragon, Blue Eyes White Dragon. Oh my god, alternate art Blue Eyes. This is something I do like alternate arts. It makes things a bit different. Dragon, Spirit of White, Kaiba Man, White Stone of Legend, White Stone of Ancients, Protector of the with Eyes of Blue, Master with Eyes of Blue, Ballox, Legend, Mystical Genie of the Lamp, Vorse Raider, Alexandra Dragon, Blade Knight, Ancient Lamp, Tiger Dragon, Kid Moto Dragon, King of the Swamp, Rider of the Storm Winds, Bush Dream of Destruction, Beacon of White, Mausoleum of White, Palmization, yes, Enemy Controller, Shrink, Silent Doom, Ancient Rules, nice, Trade In, Where Art Thou, Potted Dichotomy, Fusion Substitute, which is Palmization, Future Soma, Future Monster from Yoshi deck, blah blah blah. Okay, nice die. Negate Attack, nice. Final Attack Order, Shadow Spell, Cloning, Fusion Resort, Draw of Advice, Azure Eye Silver Dragon, Force to the Dragons, and the Kaiba token. Okay. Better make this next one quick. I said quick. I said thank you. Okay. Blackstone Legend. Return of the Red Eyes. Red Eyes Flare Metal Dragon. Red Eyes Black Dragon. Red Eyes Black Flare Dragon. Red Eyes Archfiend Lightning. Red Eyes Retro Dragon. Red Eyes Black Metal Dragon. Axe Raider. Alligator Sword. Baby Dragon. Jinzo. Goblin Attack Force. Gear Free, the Iron Knight. Rocket Warrior. Blue Flame Swordsman. Time Wizard. Phoenix. Gear Free. Gemini Summoner. Blade Wing Butterfly. Oh, Blaze Wing Butterfly. Dark Valkyria. Command Knight. Valkyrian Knight. Keeper of the Shrine, Inferno, Dark Blast, Red Eyes Fusion, nice. Cards of the Redstone, Polymerization. Salamandra, equip only 2 fire monster against 700 attack. Scapegoat, Foolish Boreal. Same one must point deck to the game. Roulette Spiral, Supervise, Mystical Space Typhoon, Symbols of Duty, Red Eye Spirit, Kunai Chain, Call of the Haunted, Torrential Tribute, Burst Breath, Curse of Anubis, Archfiend Black Skull Dragon, Alligator Sword Dragon, and the Joey token. Hold on. The only thing I'm upset about. Wait. Does this come with something extra? No, it doesn't. Alright, well, I'm upset that there's no Dark Paladin, because that's one card I do want. Though I did get other Dark Magician cards, like these two, along with the other Dark Magician cards there. And Magician's Rod. So yeah. So this didn't take more than one episode. Nice. So yeah, this is honestly all I got. If you were expecting more, then I'm sorry. But don't worry, because I do plan on continuing with Let's Plays on, the Muga21 channel, the main Let's Play channel. So yeah, I'll be able to continue those. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos, go to my other channel, and take it easy.